In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create UML diagram in draw.io. By the end of this video, you'll have a clean UML diagram with class, actor, and use case elements connected with arrows, clearly labeled and saved. First, open draw.io. In your browser, go to draw.io and wait for the editor to load. You should see a blank canvas in the center and a Shapes panel on the left. Next, click More Shapes. Look to the bottom of the left sidebar and select More Shapes to open the Shapes library window. Now, enable UML. In the window that appears, find the UML option and check it. This adds the unified modeling language shapes you need for a proper UML diagram. Click Apply. The window closes and you'll see UML categories added in the left panel. If the panel looks the same at first, but don't worry. Scroll or expand the sections and the UML shapes will be there. From here, drag UML shapes to the canvas. Open the UML section and drag a class shape onto the canvas. Place it where you want your class to sit. Then drag an actor shape, the stick figure icon, and drop it on the left side of the canvas to represent a user or system role. Next, drag a use case shape, the oval, onto the canvas, typically to the right of the actor. Arrange these shapes with some space between them so you have room to connect and label. If you drop a shape in the wrong place, just click and drag to reposition it. Once that's done, connect with arrows. Hover over the actor, class, or use case until you see small blue connection arrows around the shape. Click a connection arrow and drag to the target shape to create a connector. You can also select the connector tool from the top toolbar and draw from one shape to another. For example, drag from the actor to the use case to show who initiates or participates in that use case. If you're showing relationships between classes, connect one class to another the same way. Make sure the connectors snap to the edges or anchor points so they stay attached if you move shapes later. If a connector bends awkwardly, click it and adjust the handles to tidy the route. Now add labels and text. Double-click a class shape to type the class name. If you want to separate the name from details within the same shape, press Enter to add new lines and type attributes or methods beneath the class name. Double-click the actor to label it with a role name like user or admin. Double-click the use case oval and type a clear action, such as login or place order. To label a connector, double-click directly on the line and type the relationship name such as uses, association, or a brief note that clarifies the connection. If a label overlaps something, click and drag it slightly along the line to reposition it. Keep names short and precise so the diagram stays easy to read. Finally, save the diagram. Go to File and click Save, or press Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on Mac. Choose your save location, give the file a clear name, and confirm. You should see a quick confirmation or the file name appear at the top, indicating your work is saved. At this point, you've created a UML diagram in draw.io using the UML library, placed the class, actor, and use case shapes, connected them with arrows, added clear labels, and saved your work. As said, everything is set and ready to use or update later. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.